What's the meaning of coldly? Coldly. Coldly.
Coldly. Coldly. Coldly is an adverb that describes a manner that lacks warmth or emotion. When someone speaks or acts coldly towards another person, it can suggest a lack of empathy or concern for their feelings. This can lead to misunderstandings, hurt feelings, and damaged relationships. In professional settings, being coldly logical might be valued, but in personal relationships, being cold or indifferent can be harmful. Ultimately, the meaning of coldly depends on the context in which it is used, but it generally refers to a lack of emotional warmth or connection.